A leaked video just surfaced online showing a DJI drone prototype that nobody saw coming, and the drone community is already going wild trying to figure out exactly what it is. The footage was shared by insider Igor Bogdanov, and what makes it different from a typical test clip is the setup around it. A laptop, a full power station on the ground, serious field testing equipment. This was not a casual flight. This was a development session, and someone caught it on camera. So what drone is DJI secretly testing right now? In this video, we are breaking down every clue in the footage, why the strongest theory points straight to the DJI Neo 3, and what that means for everyone who has been waiting for DJI to fix the Neo 2's biggest frustrations. And trust me, those frustrations are very specific, and this leak suggests DJI already knows exactly what needs fixing. So what do we actually know from the footage? The first thing that stands out is the propeller guard design. Wide, thin, and symmetrical grills sitting around the props in a way that looks nothing like the deeper, more sealed guards on the Avata line. The Avata series is built for FPV performance and takes a more aggressive, enclosed approach to its prop protection. What is visible in this leaked footage looks lighter, more consumer-friendly, and far more consistent with the Neo design language. The drone also appears slightly larger than the Neo 2, which some viewers compared to the form factor of the Hover Air X1, the flying selfie camera that proved there is real demand for compact, easy-to-use drones designed around personal content creation rather than traditional piloting. That size and shape combination is the clearest visual signal yet that this is a Neo series drone, not an Avata. Here is where things get really interesting, because frame-by-frame analysis of the footage revealed something sitting on the ground next to the tester, a charging hub with what appear to be two batteries inside, and those batteries look remarkably similar to Neo 2 batteries. You know what's interesting? If that is accurate, it means DJI might be maintaining battery compatibility between the Neo 2 and Neo 3, a genuinely consumer-friendly call that would let existing owners carry over their current batteries. But it also raises the obvious question. If the battery form factor stays the same, how much can DJI actually improve flight time? That tension is worth watching closely, because battery life was the single most complained about aspect of the Neo 2, and solving it while keeping the same physical cell is a real engineering challenge. There was also a Radio Master Pocket controller spotted in the testing footage, unusual for DJI, who almost always stays within their own ecosystem, which hints that DJI may be experimenting with third-party controller compatibility for the first time. When you look at DJI's development timeline, Neo 3 testing in April 2026 fits perfectly. The original Neo launched in September 2024. The Neo 2 arrived in November 2025. DJI moves fast, and by the time a product is several months into its retail life, the next version is already well into development. The Avata 3 theory does not hold up nearly as well. DJI only just released the Avata 360, and the prop guard design in this footage simply does not match that lineage. Neo 3 is the only model where the timing, the size, the design language, and the testing approach all line up cleanly at once. What matters now is what the Neo 3 actually needs to deliver to be worth the upgrade, and the Neo 2 community has been very vocal about exactly that. The Neo 2 stood out for being incredibly easy to fly. Palm launch, gesture controls, voice commands, and no controller needed. It was perfect for travel and casual content, but it had clear limits. Real flight time often dropped to around 10 to 12 minutes. The camera struggled in low light, and tracking fast subjects wasn't always reliable. If the Neo 3 can fix those, with better battery, a stronger camera, and improved tracking while staying under 250 grams, it could be a huge upgrade. So which matters most to you? Battery, camera, or tracking? Drop it below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.